Looking for an affordable way to start 3D printing without breaking the budget? In this guide, we've rounded up the best 3D printers under 500 in 2026 that offer solid build quality, reliable performance, and beginner-friendly features. Whether you're a hobbyist, student, or DIY creator, these budget-friendly picks are great for learning and everyday projects. Starting at number 1, FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer is a powerful and advanced multicolor 3D printer designed for precision, speed, and professional quality results. Built with a Core XY system, it delivers ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 600 ms, making it highly efficient for complex and large-scale projects. The printer features one-click auto-leveling for easy setup and consistent first-layer accuracy, along with a 300°C direct drive extruder that supports a wide range of printing materials. With a 220x20 build volume, it provides a balanced space for detailed prototypes and functional models. Ideal for designers, engineers, and hobbyists, the FLASHFORGE AD5X combines speed, reliability, and multicolor capability for modern 3D printing needs. Number 2, Creality K2 SE 3D Printer. The Creality K2 SE 3D printer is a high-performance 3D printer designed for fast, precise, and multicolor printing applications. With an impressive printing speed of up to 500 ms, it significantly reduces production time while maintaining strong detail quality. It supports multicolor printing via CFS compatibility, making it suitable for creative and complex models. Built with a solid metal frame, it ensures stability and durability during high-speed operation. The printer also includes auto-leveling, a direct drive extruder, and a quick-swap nozzle system for easy maintenance and reliable performance. With a 220x215x245 build volume, the Creality K2 SE is ideal for hobbyists, designers, and professionals looking for speed, flexibility, and precision in 3D printing. Number 3, Anycubic Kobra X. The Anycubic Kobra X multicolor 3D printer is a user-friendly and high-speed multicolor 3D printer designed for beginners, kids, and hobbyists who want an easy printing experience. It offers ultra-fast printing speeds up to 600 ms, making it capable of producing models quickly while maintaining good detail quality. With 4-color built-in printing support, it allows creative and vibrant multicolor designs without complex setup. The printer features one-click printing for simple operation, making it especially beginner-friendly. Its spacious 260x260 260mm build volume provides enough room for a wide range of projects, from small prototypes to creative models. The Anycubic Kobra X is a great choice for fast, easy, and colorful 3D printing at home or in learning environments. Number 4, Bambu Lab A1 Combo Plus. The Bambu Lab A1 Combo 3D printer is a premium high-speed multicolor 3D printer designed for precision, convenience, and quiet operation. It supports multicolor printing, allowing users to create detailed and vibrant models with ease. Equipped with full automatic calibration and active flow rate compensation, it ensures consistent print quality with minimal manual adjustment. The printer operates at a low noise level of 248 dB, making it suitable for home, studio, or office environments. Its high-speed performance and advanced automation features make it ideal for both beginners and professionals who want reliable and efficient 3D printing. The included LED lamp kit also improves visibility during printing, enhancing the overall user experience. Number 5, Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. The Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra Resin 3D printer is a high-precision resin 3D printer designed for detailed and professional quality model printing. Featuring a 7-inch 9K monochrome LCD, it delivers extremely sharp detail and smooth surface finishes, making it ideal for miniatures, prototypes, and intricate designs. With a high-speed printing capability of up to 150 ms, it significantly reduces production time while maintaining excellent accuracy. The printer includes smart automatic leveling and intelligent detection features, ensuring easy setup and reliable performance even for beginners. It also supports Wi-Fi file transfer for convenient wireless printing. With a build volume of 6.04 as 3.06 was 649 inches, the Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra is a powerful choice for users who need precision, speed, and modern smart features in resin printing.